All right, gang. So yesterday we started with our persuasive essays. I told you when we were finished with writing that I wanted you to come up with 3 or 4 different topics. Marcos brought up a good point that last time when we did personal narratives, we came up with 3 or 4 different ones and we worked on 3 or 4 different ones. And then we finally picked one that we really were going to focus on. So you could do the same thing. Absolutely, by all means. So with those 3 or 4, you want to have at least 1 or 2. If you have 3 or 4, that's okay. But sometimes it might get a little crazy to keep track of everything. So at least 1 or 2. So at least 2 that you were working on, okay? So the persuasive writing process that we're going to be using is the first thing we're going to do is pick a topic. That's what we're talking about now. Making sure that there are 2 sides to that topic that can be argued. So the side that you have and the side that someone else has. Making sure that there's 2 sides because you always want to make sure that you argue your side, and also you can also discredit someone else's side. Create an outline of the essay. So we're going to work on that. Actually, we're going to work on that today of creating an introduction, 3 reasons, and those supporting reasons, examples, facts, and details. Now remember what Miss Y always says, if you give me 1 reason, probably won't think about it. You give me 2 reasons, I just might think about it. Give me 3 reasons that I'm going to be seriously considering what you're saying. And then you also want to support those with reasons, examples, facts, and details. Then we're going to put it all together and we're going to actually draft that essay. Then we're going to revise and edit using fanboys and transitional words. And then we're going to officially publish our work. So we're going to be working on, if you haven't picked your topic yet, you definitely want to pick 1 or at least 2 topics to work on. And then we're going to work on our introduction. So today we're going to identify the reasons that best support my opinion. That's what your job is going to be doing. We're going to identify the reasons that best support your opinion. So here I'm actually going to be writing about why everyone should exercise daily. So all of my facts, I'm writing down on a piece of paper all of the facts that I have that I'm going to use to support my argument as to why everybody should exercise daily. Here's one of them. This is a kids website that I found, Kids and Exercise. It's reviewed by a doctor, Mary L. Gavin, MD. That means she's a doctor. So I'm going to make sure that she read it and she thinks it's going to be it would be a great thing to have kids exercise. And look, right here, perfect, right here. The main benefits of exercising. Why would somebody benefit from exercising? And here are my reasons. Stronger muscles and bones, leaner body, less risk of becoming overweight, lower chances of getting type 2 diabetes, lower blood pressure, blood cholesterol and lower blood cholesterol levels, and better outlook on life. Right there, it tells me so many pieces of information. I'm writing it down on my paper. I'm taking my notes. And I'm going to write down where I got this information from. I'm going to write kidshealth.org. Just like we did for our science project, you want to make sure that you have that sites page, that you're giving credit to the people you're using their research from. And the last one I found was more geared towards adults, and the top 10 benefits of regular exercise. Number 1, it makes you feel happier. Number 2, it can help you lose weight. Number 3, good for your muscles and bones, which is what I heard in the other article. And it goes on and on and on and talks about all of these things that could be a reason why people should exercise. So right there, that helps me build my case and provide that strong evidence. So my introduction is right here. This is going to be attached to the assignment. You want to write an introduction. You know what? We don't have to write something strong. Right now, I'm just going to put why people should exercise daily. All right. And then I put together another couple of reasons: stronger muscles and bones, staying trim, and good for your health. So I typed those in. That's all I'm doing for today. I had to do some research to come up with those reasons, though. So you want to make sure that you come up with your topic and you start researching and writing down those reasons that support your opinion. My opinion, again, is why people should exercise daily. that way I phrased it might change, but that's what I'm focusing on. And now I have reason number 1, which exercise builds stronger and muscles and bones. Again, I'm not using complete sentences here. This is just a graphic organizer to organize my thoughts. Then staying trim. So I'm going to talk about staying trim and how that happens. And then my paragraph 3 is going to be about good for your health. And that's all I'm going to do. We're going to talk about examples, facts, and details on another day. So go ahead and go on to your graphic organizer for your opinions, your opinion piece, and create an introduction, a reason number 1, a reason number 2, and a reason number 3. And that's all I want you to do for today, okay? Good luck.